taking BSEd major in English. She's studying at Waterloo State University. Her hobbies: she is part of her school organization Broadcaster of the Arts at NISU. And she's also part of the community organization of Sangguniang Kabataan o Barangay Paon. Her ambition in life is to become a beauty queen and a licensed professional teacher. Her motto in life: don't let yesterday take up too much of your today. Her vital statistics are 23, 24, 35. Ladies and gentlemen, our candidate number 3, Thea May P. Gallardo.